Hello everyone. Today I'm going to bid a car for you. From the start to a successful win. First, I search for the right car model based on what sells best, like Toyota Camry. Then I will carefully zoom in on the interior, the exterior of the vehicle, engine, to better understand the condition of the vehicle. After that, I review the vehicle history from trusted platforms such as Carfax to better understand the history of the vehicle. Now I'm ready. I wait for the exact auction time. Bidding starts. I follow up my plans. I will stay within my limits and I will bid smart. And yes, we want the car at the right price. Now I contact PGL to handle pickup, shipping, and delivery. Follow us to see the next steps from the auction to your destinations.